Shalawam, Shalawam. It's Yahawah Ba from GMS Germany with a quick update because of our main page, I would say. So the GMS Germany page got a strike for 2 weeks, but we got the GMS Germany Ba page where we're going to post all our camp videos, as you can see right here, and then we made a new channel, GMS Germany Saints Assembly, where we're gonna post all our videos that we do. We want to separate a little bit that the camp page don't get any strikes anymore like that, because of the videos that we make or gonna make, Salakia. And yeah, man. So just that you know, this is gonna be our for the next 2 weeks, or even for a longer period of time, our main page where we're going to post our camp videos. They're just being formed GMS Germany Ba, okay? And then of course we got the GMS Germany Saints Assembly once again. But yeah, Yahawah Ba, Rawchaa Qadash, Barak, Ahtham, and the family of the word is coming, man. Esau is going on a rampage on our videos. You just see videos exterminated left and right, but hey, it's all prophecy. Amos 8:11. Shalawam wa Barak, Ahtham.